11th CNC Expo 2023 on 25th, 26th, 27th of August 2023 at Hitex Hyderabad. Please do online pre-registration for hassle-free entry. CNC Expo 2023 co-located events, Cablenet Expovision and broadcast content show. Platinum sponsor T-Fiber, Diamond sponsor Claron Fiber Optics Private Limited, Gold sponsors Pioneer Digital TV and etvwin, Silver sponsor SSC BPL, Associate sponsors Cyrotech, GTPL and Green TV. Seminars on Register now. For more details, please visit www.CNCEXPO.com.
It is managed well, it is very efficient. Security perspective, safety perspective, it was amazing. We are happy. As an exhibitor, yes, we are happy enough.
Expo, it is better than the expected. The turnout was very good, and the management done by your CNC team was very good. More than our expectation, everybody participated with great zeal and enthusiasm.
CNC Ramu sir is doing great job, and it's a great response. Operators also feeling very happy.
Expo, I think this is the best expo across India, wherein the footfalls are always going high.
This expo has grown over the years, and we have had a very good response, and we will look forward to participating again next year.
And very good to see the customers of quality customers are coming, and quality companies are coming, and national and international companies are coming. Good to see that Hyderabad has become very good for all ISP and cable TV providers. It's very good.
బొంబాయి ఢిల్లీ కంటే కూడా చాలా బాగుంది. ఇక్కడ మేము హాస్టల్ అక్కడ కూడా మేము విజిటర్స్ కింద వెళ్ళటం జరుగుతుంది. బట్ ఇక్కడ ఉన్నట్టు ఎక్కడా లేదు, ఉండదు కూడాని.
After COVID, the footfall was really good. We got a lot of prospects this year. More than 80 to 90 prospects we have this time. And the ambience and the feel was really good, really awesome.
Our experience has been far better. We've seen good footfalls. The quality of customers have been far different. We've, as you see, also gone ahead and taken the next step.
Getting very positive feedback. I think it's happening after 2 years now, and we are regularly putting stall actually in this exhibition. Response has been overwhelming actually for the past 3 days. There is a lot of response, and we are getting a lot of sales also.
Excellent, and ఈసారి ఎక్స్పో చాలా బాగుంది. లాస్ట్ టైం ఎక్స్పో కంటే కూడా ఈసారి క్రౌడ్ కూడా ఎక్కువ వచ్చారు. రాము ఆల్సో హీస్ కండక్టింగ్ ఎక్సలెంట్ కండక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాడు రాము.
I think it's very encouraging, and we didn't expect that we'll have so many inquiries coming in. But I think we are getting a lot of feedbacks, and everybody is quite happy.
All local operators here in Hyderabad as well as Telangana and other states also has visited, and we are very much satisfied with this exhibition.
We are happy. What else we require? Whatever the exhibition we wanted for, we have achieved it.
So no complaints, only satisfaction, and all the best to the exhibitors.